stopped.
So we're hiking to the bottom of Ribbon Falls today, and we just started. Kat's shoes are already wet.
I stepped what I thought was the trail, and there's like water running through it, and I thought it was dirt, but my foot went through the top layer of muck, and I stepped into the water.
Straight mud.
Shame.
So, yep. We are, oh, hang on. It's a cut back here. We just came from that way. We're going this way. We're going for neither of those. Ribbon Falls today. It's gonna be like a 4-ish mile loop. And yeah, we saw it on the drive in. It's gonna be pretty. Oh, look at that. Big old fat squirrel down there.
Not as pretty as my wet foot. You wanna see?
Oh yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, look at that.
Tasty.
Muddy.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. That's gonna make for a nice hike in.
Mm-hmm.
It'll probably dry.
It'll dry. These shoes are decently, I don't know, wicking. I guess that's the right word.
Oh yeah, it wicked that puddle right up.
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah, we're walking through these stumps, and we're heading we're gonna be walking along the wall, I think, going towards Ribbon Falls that way. So, quick little pit stop here. This is a bay laurel, otherwise known as bay leaves. So I'm going to take a couple here, a couple little sprigs, because we are running low. And I had a friend who told me next time I came across one of these trees to get him some bay leaves. So here I am, living up to that promise. A couple of bay leaves there. Make the pack in the pocket smell nice, and that'll be good to go. There it is. There's Ribbon Falls right on the other side of that little dead tree. Here's our trail. It looks like an old paved road. Or paved path, something at one point. Pavement here. And I was today years old when I learned that this is the waterfall with what?
It's the single longest continuous drop in the United States.
I did not know that. I would have thought for sure Niagara Falls would have been taller. But I guess not. So we're gonna go get to the bottom of it, literally. See you there shortly. So we're looking at our map and looking to see how close we are. We're almost there. Let me just look up and boom. There's a nice little view of the falls. We're almost to the top. insane.
Wow.
Oh, you can feel the mist coming off of there. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
This is awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that waterfall. And this nice little cove here we got going on.
This is epic.
This is awesome.
Wow.
Alright, we made it to the waterfall and just finished our little lunch here. Vaughn's sandwich and some miscellaneous bars. And some, what we just realized were sliced open razor blade chips from the store. Do Better store. Look at that. Oops, we've been eating those for a couple days. But yeah, there were some climbers up on the wall out there. That was kind of cool. We saw a couple more hikers coming from the waterfall. Wow. Kat was making chimp noises at them.
No.
Yeah, that was fun. It was a pretty easy hike. It wasn't too bad. It was steep. You do like almost, what, 1,500 feet of climbing?
Oh yeah.
1,500 feet of climbing probably in the last mile or so. So it's a fair amount of climbing. But the first part of the trail is pretty nice. You lose it a couple of times, so you have to kind of be on your GPS here and there and kind of make sure you're staying on track. The other people we saw leaving were off trail, looked like they were just following the creek back down.
Completely bushwhacking. Crazy.
Completely bushwhacking, which works, but probably not the quickest way to do it. Just follow the trail. It makes it a little easier. But we're gonna start making our way down. I don't have trekking poles. I'm gonna try and find a stick to use on the way down because it's very steep. And yeah, that'll be it for our little excursion into Yosemite today. Thanks for watching.
And remember, always eat your snacks.
Always eat your snacks. Practice safe lunch. Use a condiment.
And make chimp noises at other people who are off trail.
Yeah.
Just hear them.
If you see people breaking rules in nature, feel free to make chimp noises at them. They have it coming.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, everybody.